Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove retweets from your Twitter profile, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your timeline and manage your content. Step 1. Open the Twitter app on your mobile device or go to twitter.com on your computer and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or selecting Profile from the menu. Step 3. Scroll through your tweets and replies timeline to locate the retweets you want to remove. Step 4. For each retweet, you want to delete, tap, or click on the retweet icon, which should now appear green, indicating an active retweet. Step 5. Select Undo Retweet from the menu to remove it from your profile immediately. Step 6. The retweet will be removed from your timeline, but the original tweet will remain on the original poster's account. Step 7. If you have many retweets to remove, you will need to do this manually for each one, as Twitter does not provide a bulk unretweet feature. Step 8. Consider using your account's settings to prevent accidental retweets in the future by reviewing carefully before retweeting. Step 9. Refresh your profile page to verify that the retweets have been successfully removed from your timeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.